Greeting to Dr. Arim and Dr. Ong. We are from Group 5. I am Zhi Heng and this is our group member. This is Dennis, Nicholas, Zhi Peng, and Yu Tian. First of all, Carry Ingredients Sdn Bhd is a company under the Carry Group. It is a company that manufactures and distributes application-specific ingredient and flavor. Examples of products of the company are savory ingredient, sweet ingredient, and nutritional system. Carry Ingredient Company was founded in 1998 with total 5 branches, each located at Shah Alam, Penang, Pasir Gudang, Pentong, and Tam Point. And in this video, we will focus on Carry Tam Point. Today, we will take you to a journey to Carry ingredient industry. We will talk about mainly 3 parts, which is the company profile and organization structure, production line of the product, and our best observation in the company. With its purpose of inspiring food and nourishing life, this company has undergone a key milestone. And this is the organization structure of the company.
So next we would like to talk about industrial process.
Hello there, today I want to present about overview of production lines and products. Before that, let's learn some important terms about what is spray drying, spray dryer, and CTP. So first, what is spray drying? Spray drying is a well-known method of particle production which comprises the transformation of a fluid material into dry particles. So next is about the spray dryer. There are 2 types of spray dryer. First is soft foam spray dryer 1. It is for non-dairy creamer and foaming creamer. Its yearly capacity is 28.0 kilo metric tons, and the other one is multi-stage spray dryer 2. It is for nutritional base and liquid, and its yearly capacity is 38.0 kilo metric tons. Do you know what is CCP? Basically, CCP is known as critical control points. It is a basic condition and activities necessary to maintain a hygienic environment throughout the food chain suitable for the production of safe food. So let's learn about the production line. First is raw material preparation. All the raw material need to store inside the warehouse, and the quality control qualification also need for all raw material. Next is tipping. All the ingredients need to tipping into the reservoir or tipping hopper as per mixing instruction. What is tipping hopper? A tipping hopper, also known as a tipper or tipping bucket, it is a piece of equipment designed for the controlled discharge of bulk material. It is commonly used in various industries for loading, unloading, and transporting material in bulk. So next is about the pasteurizing. It is critical control point 1. Pasteurization means a comparatively low order of heat treatment, generally at a temperature below the boiling point of water. Pasteurizing is a process of heat transfer no less than 77 degrees Celsius for 15 seconds. Next step is spray dryer. It is a process of dewatering and transforming liquid into powder. After apply the spray dryer, it is need to fouling, waking, spilling, and stitching. 20 of 25 kg craft bags of bulk bag in 650 kg. Next step is metal detecting. It is critical control point 2. The step is very important to ensure a consistently high product quality and safety. Next is chair weighing, 100% weight inspection. This step can help the company control costs and safely balance regulatory and safety concerns while still ensuring operational effectiveness. After check the product weight, It is about the product labeling. And the last step is palletizing and storage. Palletizing is the process of taking large quantity of identical items onto a pallet for shipping. It is in 1 metric tons per pallet. The product was stored inside the warehouse. And for carry ingredient products, it is mainly related to food and beverage products. Carry Tamproy mainly produce powder food ingredients. That's all about the production lines and products.
Through our industrial visit to carry ingredient, we are able to gain opportunities to observe the real working size and the industrial plants with the process using spray dryer and ribbon blender technologies. During the spray drying process, we also visited their centralized control system that is designed to control the plant automatically. Besides, when entering the industry, safety first, quality always have been ensured by carry ingredient. In order to protect our own safety in the industry, we have been told to walk inside the yellow line on the route. This is because this action can avoid us from getting hit by the forklift. During visitation of plant, we have been conduct hygiene control by wearing safety shoes, hairnet, wearing PPE, and wash our hands.
Lastly, I want to talk about our group self-reflection regarding to this industrial visit. After we went to the carry ingredient, I can say as a first year as a student, I can say this is a very good experience as a student to learn or get an early exposure about what exactly is chemical engineering learned about or bioprocess engineering learned about. So carry ingredient is an industry that mainly focus on producing food and beverage powders. So inside that industry, we are able to get an early exposure or able to see many chemical engineering machinery such as reactors and more. Before, even though in the laboratory there is only a small model, but in the industry we are able to see the real scale model. I also want to thanks to the person in charge or the person that guide us during the industry visit. Why? Because they share with us a lot of useful information that we haven't learned or we might learn during in our futures, such as they also guide us or they also taught us about what is reactor, what is CCP, why this reactor, why this process control is important in the industry, so that they can prevent any losses or any dangers to the persons or to the workers in that industry. Therefore, I also want to say that this industry visit is a very good experience for all of us, not only for me, but also for maybe for the lecturers too, and for our coursemate too. Because without this industry visit, we still never know or what exactly is chemical engineering. Why I'm still studying chemical engineering, but I don't know what is the function of the chemical engineering. But thanks to this industry visit, we are able to get an early exposure about what exactly is chemical engineering, what exactly is bioprocess engineering, what we will learn in our future. That's all from our group self-reflection. Lastly, I will pass to Nicholas.
Next, we would like to express our greatest gratitude to Carry Ingredient for allowing us in for this industrial visit.
Thank you. And lastly, I would like to show some photos during that day.
Oh boy.
I know you're making up the truth. Why can't I go before I lose my cool? I love you even if it's difficult. Don't worry just because I need to leave. don't mean I'm sick of us, of you and me. I'm just